If you want an outstanding carpet cleaning service in Houston, look no further than our distinguished qualifications and unbeatable prices. We will use the best designer products to clean your carpets. From our equipment to our solutions, you can rest assured knowing that you got more than what you paid for. To get more technical, our system works through emulsification, heat, agitation, and absorption. Our deep carpet cleaning process removed 90% to 95% of all dirt, soil, and stains. With over 16 years of experience, our technicians are highly trained and experienced in the best carpet cleaning techniques. Understanding the pH level of carpet fibers along with applying the right products to dirt, soil, and stains are very important when cleaning carpets. Our system works through emulsification, heat, agitation, and absorption and is tailor-made to each home and needs. What are you waiting for? Call 281-492-3499. Visit our website, Houston Carpet Cleaning.